G-Wagon decided to surprise Jack Mabaso ngomawengane, brought Uswazi to move in with them without talking to Jack first. Things are moving too fast between Ayanda and her toy boy. Nonhle even suggested that she talks to Tao first before he hears it from someone else, and he was surprisingly okay with Ayanda moving on, only if he knew Guts it's a toy boy. Now, Mama Saba seems to be abused by Umzimkulu, and her granny has arrived. Shuba. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Generations The Legacy. So Ayanda nomuntu wakhe yazi busy, they're always together. They seem to be spending a lot of time together, and Ayanda is smitten. But this guy is now suggesting some chemical ngathi idakamizwa efuna bayisebenzise nakuspa. Ayanda is skeptical because she's like akasebenzise yena idakamizwa. And she's not sure about this whole thing. But this guy's like, no, man, so I think dosage right, right. But Ayanda wants to think about it first. Unantle comes to see her mom, guy busy, matasatasa serving drinks. And Unantle can see because you really like this guy. So when you guys are dating, Uma is proudly saying, yes, we are. Unantle is feeling grossed up about this whole thing because this guy is her age. And he works for her, so it's a bit gross. But Umawaka is like, as I thought, we should be more progressive because I didn't think you'd be uptight about this whole thing. I thought we'd be fine. Nami phela ndingumfazi. Stop thinking about me as your mother. I'm also a woman. I have needs. Needs. What do you think Dad is going to say? You need to talk to him before he hears it from someone else and freaks out. And then goes to speak to Tao to tell him that he has moved on, and Tao was surprisingly fine with it. He was like, it's good that you have moved on. This is surely great. And he was happy for her. Only if he knew, Guti, this guy is a young man. And asked, so who is this lucky guy? Wanda lies and says it's someone she met a while ago through work, blah, blah, blah. Now, Utau, I wonder what he's going to say when he finds out. Because it's a toy boy. It's a small boy who is Nontle's age. Swazi gets a visit from her dad. She's not even bathing. Clears into pajamas and a gown during the day, saying she's an incubator. I don't know what she expected from Jack, because Jack she did want to be a surrogate, but why is she sulking at Mrs. Mabaso? And it reminds her, hey, when you're carrying Mabaso, you need to act like it. And then G-Wagon goes to see her, bringing her a takeaway, a fit cook, and it means she was so happy because she enjoyed it. She's pregnant and she's feeding her cravings. Now she's curious, how many baby mamas do you have? When you're taking care of and stuff. But Uswazi looks sad. And she decided Uswazi, and I've experienced that my brother, goes home, finds Utek Mabaso, enjoy this puzzle sakhe, and ask him about if he has a gun on him and takes the gun. Ndaba, why are you taking my gun? As I'm sorry, but you need to see this. Later takes his gun away from him, and Jack is even surprised with what's going on. Wala surprise uma wengane. Kuthi nangu uma wengane. Here is your baby mama. Awungene baby mama. Come in uma wengane. Kanjani without talking to Jack first and says ukuthi Uswazi is moving in. How does it do this without discussing this with Jack first? I fear Jack is going to kick her out or kick both of them out of the house because usalimele ngofikile. Now, it seems like this Mzimkhulu guy uhlukumeza uNomasebe, because why does she have bruises? Ngathi bemklinya that day that she wanted to go to the exhibition, and says that he was saving her. They're going to pin up a story with she did come but in disguise, so no one saw her. And then Sam comes over to try and see if Uswazi is there, Unomasebe is there, but Uzimkhulu said that akahlala and blamed Unomasebe for giving Usem her address. The next thing, kufika gogo kaNomasebe. Gogo Nomasebe was shocked because you can see the bruises. What happened to you, mzukulu wami? Yeah, because what is he doing to him? Now this Moroccan man is trying by all means to oppress Ufikile, saying that he sorted things out, not Jack. Because Ufikile was like, the relationship I'm not Jack has nothing to do with you, it's none of your business. I said, oh yeah, it definitely is, because it affects this business. So you need to sort things out. The only thing why I like Kuma is not just a business partner to me, he's also my friend. I can vent to him. And also when there's a problem, he sorts it out. If he had a problem with Tao, he would have come up with a plan and sorted it out. Not what you're doing. Out did it Tao man. Now, Umelo did not give up, went ahead and planned a whole Easter video for her influencer stuff to pitch to Tao. And Tao liked it, which means now she's going to get the campaign that she always wanted. She doesn't give up. Yeah, she really meant it when she said she's pregnant and has a baby on the way. So Umpo is unemployed, so she needs to get the money. Now Untando is still traumatized from what he saw in the car, in the truck. Kababake is feeling bad, saying, "Go to ask questions. What do you want to know?" Untando doesn't want to ask anything and says he wants to leave. He wants to go home, but you're only going to leave once you get your driver's license. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.